C# is a high-level OOP language and can be used to write software that runs on Microsoft OS, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS environments. C# can be used to create complex distributed web applications, desktop applications, cross-platform command line packages. It can also be used to make video games for any platform, including Xbox and PlayStation, augmented reality, and development of virtual world. And with Microsoft's purchase of Xamarin, developers can use it to write native Android, iOS, and Windows apps with native user interfaces and share code across multiple platforms, including Windows and Mac OS. C#, designed for the Common Language Infrastructure around 2000 by Microsoft within its .NET initiative. The Common Language Infrastructure, or CLI, is an open specification developed by Microsoft and standardized by European Computer Manufacturers Association, or ECMA. CLI describes executable code in a runtime environment that allows multiple high-level languages to be used on different computer platforms without being written for specific architectures.